It seems like there's a Tata on sale for matching every taste. Earlier, we took a look at the dark editions of the Tata SUVs. Then we followed it up with the Kaziranga editions. And now there's a new trend on the block with these, the Tata JET Edition of SUVs. We are taking a look at the cosmetically upgraded versions of the Nexon and the Harrier and the Safari. And before we go ahead with this walk around video, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the Evo India channel and smash that bell icon to stay tuned to all our video drops. Now let's begin by talking about the styling changes which are common to all of these SUVs. First off, there's this starlight paint scheme which consists of bronze type body color which looks very unique and eye-catching. You also get the roof, it is finished in a silver kind of finish. You get plenty of hashtag JET badges all around these SUVs to remind you that these are special editions. All of these SUVs, they come with blacked out alloy wheels, and over at the rears where the nameplates are mentioned, all the nameplates have been blacked out rather than in chrome. A crucial fact that I must mention is that the Nexon EV that you see here and the ICE powered Nexon, that is more or less identical now because there's no teal accent to remind you that these are two different cars, and I think these SUVs now look even more eye-catching on the road. On the exterior, the Nexon also gets a silver skid plate at the front as well as the back, and the Nexon EV, it is offered in the JET Edition only in the top spec XZ Plus variant. What do you think about the styling of the JET Edition Tata SUVs? Let us know in the comments below. Now we have talked about the styling changes on the outside of these SUVs, and we have hopped inside the Harrier to tell you what has changed on the inside. For starters, the upholstery on all of these SUVs, it is now oyster white. You get hashtag JET embroidered on the headrest to indicate that this is a special edition after all. You get this bronze finish on the dashboard which I think people will take a liking to over the course of time. You get an electronic parking brake, and the electronic parking brake also means that the Harrier, it now gets 4-wheel disc brakes. The infotainment is the same as before, so are the clocks, but the Harrier gets some additional safety features. With the ESP, it now gets driver doors alert, and it also gets after collision braking as well as a panic brake alert, which is a welcome addition in making the Harrier a safer SUV than before. Now most SUV buyers will obviously find a rear seat a better place to be in, and the Harrier's rear seat, well, it is unchanged. It continues to be as comfortable as before. You get a massive panoramic sunroof, and the new addition to the rear of the Harrier is the Type-C charging port, which will definitely help it keep updated with the times. Now we are in the Safari now, and I won't waste your time telling you what the changes are at the front because it is exactly the same as the Harrier. Where the big change lies is in the second row, where you get these comfort headrests for the rear seats. The Safari, it continues to be offered in 6 as well as 7-seater variants, and both these variants, they get Type-C charging for both the rows. The Safari, it has always been a great road trip machine behind the wheel, but with this comfort headrest, I don't think anyone will be fighting to get behind the wheel at all. They'll be fighting to see who gets the rear seat first. We are in the Nexon now, and in terms of changes to the interior, well, it is identical to its larger siblings. The upholstery and the embroidery on the seats, that is same. The finish on the dashboard, that is identical. You continue to get the same levels of kit as before, but the ICE powered Nexon, it gets a wireless phone charger now, and this has been done in a similar fashion to what is available on the Nexon EV Max. I think that is a lovely feature to have, especially in the compact SUV that is very popular among buyers in this segment. Now in terms of pricing, the Jet Edition models of the Tata SUVs, they're priced at a premium of roughly 30,000 across the range, and that buys you some additional creature comforts as well as some distinctive styling elements on the Tata SUVs. Now if you're the kind who really likes your SUV to turn heads, the Tata Jet Edition models are perfect for you. What do you think of the Tata Jet Edition models? Let us know in the comments below.